then somehow I will still accept it. Like, you don't get the full marks, but you will get some marks. If your answer is right, your reason is wrong, 0. Okay? I always focus on the reason and the process. Okay, so let's say if you have 2a, so basically your reasoning is that if you have 2a is equal to 5, right? So how do you get a? So you divide by 2, right?
Yeah.
And then on the left hand side, so you divide by 2 on the right hand side as well.
Yeah.
So therefore your answer is 2.5 in this case.
Yes.
Right? So now the question is slightly different, but the approach, the reasoning, rationale behind should be the same. So you have 2a, let's say minus 2 equals to 5. Okay? So what we learned in the past is you underline similar term, okay? And then you group similar terms together. Minus 2 and 5, they are numbers, so you try to group them together. That's why you move it over, right?
Yeah.
So you move it over, you will get 5. So minus 2, move it over, plus 2. So you have 2a equals to 7. And then now you divide by 2 on the left, you divide by 2 on the right. In order to balance, okay? In order to balance it.
Yeah.
Okay, so therefore in this case the a is equal to 3.5. Okay, we always do this by moving it over, but your approach is also valid. Why? You are telling me, hey, my goal for this question, okay, maybe I don't put a 2 here, maybe I just put a. So instead of moving the minus 2 over, right? So your goal is to, hey, anyway, my objective is to get a equals to something. So how do I get to a from this, right?
Plus 2.
So you plus a 2. In a way, when you plus a 2, right, you eliminate the minus 2, right?
Yeah.
That's why you plus 2. You don't plus 4, right? So you plus a 2, because you see you have a minus 2 on the left, you plus a 2 to eliminate the minus 2. So you plus 2 on the left. So in order to balance the equation, so you need to plus 2 on the right. So it's 5 plus 2. So it's equal to 7. Okay? So both approaches, they are alright. Okay? It really depends which one is easier for you. Okay? So therefore, when you do the inequality, what's the inequality question? A what?
A minus 2.
Yeah.
And then it's like
Bigger or small? Bigger equal?
bigger, smaller?
No. How big? This is smaller.
Smaller.
Yeah, because
smaller and equal.
yeah, because this one is smaller. This side is smaller. This side is called bigger. So you read from this is smaller or equal to
Bigger.
no smaller or equal to which one number?
3.
3, right? So for this question, you could have just underline similar term. Okay? Then you group the similar terms together. Okay, so how? Move it over, right?
Yeah.
So it's minus 2 become plus 2, right? So you could have simply do this. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay? So now, how do you read this one?
A is smaller and equal to 5.
Correct. So once you get this, you draw the number line, right?
Yeah.
Then probably you give a few numbers will do. Don't need to give a lot. Okay?
Okay.
So you just give 0 and then give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, you don't even need to give so many numbers. Actually, the focus is the 5. Because over here is 5, right?
Yeah.
The focus is 5. So probably you just write down 5 and then you just give left and right. So the left is 4, right? The right is 6, right? So you know that this is smaller and equal. Equal means the 5 is included. So it's a solid circle. Okay? 5 is included because it's equal. So it's solid circle. Smaller, left or right?
Left.
Yes. So that's it. That's how you represent. That's how you represent this on a number line. Okay?
Yeah.
So this is the answer.